Oh! No! Oh my God. All right, we just got over here to Nolan's. We're going out to the farm this morning. We're going fishing. Nolan's carrying his boat. We're going to meet Nick and Dakota, and Nick's taking his boat. So Nolan's gonna be in his. Nick and Dakota are gonna be in his, and I have the kayak. I was gonna fish with Nolan, but I've been itching to get out in the kayak. The trailer's done, so we'll be showing you that stuff like Dakota's pulling up right now. We're about to load up, go get Nick, and head to the farm. So we'll see you guys maybe on the way, maybe at the farm. Let's go. All right, we're almost back here to the farm, the hidden lake pond, and today is probably going to be on fire. So looking forward to it. Should be great. We've got, as I've said before, we've got 2 boats, 1 kayak. So the fish are out there somewhere. We're gonna find them. We've got some new baits today. We're gonna try from mud butt baits. Showed you those on my Instagram and TikTok and that kind of stuff. But looking forward to trying them out. So with that, we are about to turn off this gravel road right here and head down to the pond. So let's go. Boys, we've got Dakota, we've got Nick, we've got Nolan. We're gonna try to put cameras in their boats too, catch some stuff. We about to catch some fish, boys?
Yes, sir. Probably not.
Probably not. That's probably right. So, all right, well, I guess I'll touch base with you when we get in the water and hopefully start catching some fish. So, let's go. Options here. I'm gonna break her back out when the wind cranks up. So last year I was here, they were hitting these, I found quite a few crawfish on a couple smaller ones that we kept. So this one right here's got these little crawfish tentacles on it. I really think it's gonna be an on fire bait. So this is another one that I got from it's a custom mud butt bait. So we'll see. We'll throw it a little while this morning. See what happens here. Yep. 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 Whoop. Yep. 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 Oh, baby. Oh. Oh. Boy, she's a good one. Yes, sir. Ooh, fat lady. Fat lady has sung. Hey. Man, we're gonna send her on her way. Beautiful.
All right, what's up, guys? We finally made it out here to the farm. We got 3 boats, well, 2 boats, 2.5 boats, I guess. Craig, you got a boat? You got half a boat?
Half a boat, I'm peeing.
half a boat and he's peeing. So we are out here fishing, me and my boat, all lonesome, one man wolf pack. Nick and Dakota, they are in another boat, and I think they may have just caught one. No, they did not. So, but we're about to get on them. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Try to make something happen.
This thing's acting goofy. There it is. In the net? No. Good?
Get it, son.
Oh, that's a good one, Nick.
Broke the ice. Dude, that's a good fish.
Number one.
Oh, big fish. Oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, big boy. Oh, I've been fishing for 4 hours, haven't caught a fish, but this one definitely made it worth it. 5 pounds, 11 ounces. One. Huh?
You got him one.
Got him one, finally. 5 pounds, 11 ounces.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, boy.
Yeah, it's a good fish. Only fish I caught all day.
All right, guys, I said I was fishing with mud butt baits. I think I keep saying muddy butt, but it is mud butt baits right here. So you can see that. And this right here is what I was talking about. It's got them little crawfish tentacles right there, claws. I said last year when I was out here, there's my bait right there. Last year whenever I was out here, they had crawfish in their bellies, the few that we had kept. So that's kind of why it's kind of my thought process behind what I'm fishing today with the little crawfish tails. There's probably a lot of crawfish out here, and that's pretty much what they're feeding on. So if I can get something that kind of looks like it, also has that just big presentation for them big mamas, they want something big to eat, especially if it comes invading their space. They're gonna take it out. So that's the reason why we're right here with that. So we're just Texas rigging it. I'm sure you can rig it all different kinds of ways, but that's what we're doing this morning. So let's try to catch us some more. Oh, she's a good one, boy.
Nice.
Woo! Dang. So there's some logs running right down through here, and it's like I said before, it's from like 13 foot, then it pushes in. There's kind of like a hole. I don't know if the old channel kind of washed out this little area right here, and these fish are sitting up, probably just coming in and out of this deep water, heading up for pre-spawn. So anyway, beautiful. Pretty sure that's a male fish. If you think that's a male fish, comment right down here below, but pretty sure that's what that is. So anyway, let's get back after it.
Well, we had a ranger. We had a 20-foot ranger. Yeah.
Nice. Shee, boy. Alright.
That's a good one. No, it's good, dude. That's what it's meant for, man.
Yeah, so like I say, we'll give this bank a try a little bit, and as soon as I say that.
That ain't the bank. It ain't the bank. I was out here, wasn't it?
Yeah, dude, I was halfway reeled in. Sheesh. Chunk.
That is a chunk.
Jeez, I mean, I wasn't even in the grass. I mean, he may have chased it out of the grass. I think.
I did not get a good set. Don't run my tree there, buddy boy.
Yes, sir.
He came way off.
So your bite was off.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Show him to the camera one time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Alright, well, caught 2 fish today and both of them's over 5 pounds. So, 2 fish, both over 5 pounds.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know what it is, baby, but she is a big one. Woo. Woo. Another nice one. barely hooked her. Mud butt baits. Like I said, go check Bill out. He will hook you up, man. Catching some hammers out here today. Oh my gosh. Love that thing. Little crawdad tail. A hammer. Alright, we're gonna hit this bank now. Now that we got back down, we're gonna fish back into the wind. We're just gonna slow fish this bank. This bank was really good to me last year, and hopefully it'll be good again. So that's the plan. Ooh, wow. God, never felt it. Oh my, never felt it. Get out of here. Ooh. Oh man, she was just swimming with it, man. Got some eggs in her though, I know that. It may be windy, but if you can find the right, doesn't matter if you're in a boat or kayak or whatever, if you get positioned right into the wind and be able to work your way back and the wind's blowing perfect, it actually makes pretty good fishing. Minus you slacking your line, you never feel the fish hit. Get him, cuz. Good one?
I don't know how good he
like
is.
it. That is a good one. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Bag with another one. Nice.
Good one. Yep.
Nice.
That might be the biggest of the day. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind.
Not a bad one.
It's a beef fry.
I'll have to have a fish fry soon.
Right.
Finally caught a keeper. Huh. I got you, son. Gotcha. Lost fishing here 3 times. Finally.
Oh! No! Oh my God. This sucked. I just lost my rod. God, I just lost my rod. Oh my word. How does that even happen? She jerked it out of my hand. Yeah. Yeah. Son of a gun. Wow. That's not something you want to happen. Just had a $100 rod just go in the water. Fish hit it right at the boat, put my bait back in, as you probably saw, and literally just jerked it out. My finger's actually swollen now, where that fish jerked out my rod out from my hand. So stuff happens, I guess. I'm not gonna get mad about it, I'm not gonna cuss about it, but I'm definitely not happy about it. But it is what it is. So down to one bait caster, down to a spinning rod. Guess when I get home, I'll head to the bait shop, pick me up another pole, and go from there. So anyway, we got another one rigged up. Same thing. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Another hammer. This right here is why they're pulling rods out of my hand. Oh. Caught that one in about 2 foot of water. There again. Thanks, Bill. Oh my. Oh. They like it. They like it. Whew. You see that? He broke it. He was hooked though.
You about that a vacuum worm or that jig?
Not this jig. This drops.
Oh my gosh, I got it. Get the jig now.
What is it?
Right here by the house. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
it has been fun. We got a nice stringer. Nick, Dakota, Nolan, everybody caught some really, really good fish today. And bringing some small ones out. Turn the big mamas back. Man, it was a good time. So I want to thank Butt Baits for the bait that I used today. I pretty much threw that the entire day. Just Texas rigged. Wind was blowing like crazy. So, and it worked. I don't mind catching, 6, 7, 8 fish. I'm gonna count the one that stole my rod. He's still on it. So that's not a good thing, but it was a hammer. Lost my rod. So anyway, outside of that, y'all make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. We're coming back out here to the farm. Hope you guys enjoy this kayak fishing out here, catching some big bass. Let me know what you want to see. And my finger is swollen. I don't know if you can see that. That's where that fish pulled that rod out. So anyway, hey, y'all have a go. Let's get out of here. Weigh-in time. 4.6.
Nice, good fish. 3.8, 4.2.
2.15.
Yeah, 2 pounds, 15 ounces. Almost 3 on that one. Woo! What do you think, Dakota?
Say mid 4s. 5.
We had a 6.3, a 5.11, a 5.2, and a 5.3, baby.
5.3.
Yep, nice.
Woo!
Nice.
She's a fatty.
That was awesome. That was a good day of fishing. We probably caught, what, 20 fish total?
Yeah.
And we caught 5 of them, over 5 pounds.
Oh yeah. Good day.
So, yeah.
Good day.
All right.
Until next time.
Until next time, let's get these back in the water. All right, that was it. We got about 20 plus or minus fish. Everybody caught a fish over 4 pounds. Dakota caught a 4-pound brim, so that's his PB.
On a 2-pound cricket.
On a 2-pound cricket. So, like I said, we caught a 1 over 6, 3 or 4 over 5, and then several over 4, and then multiple 2-pounders, pound and a half, 2-pounders. So it was a good day.
Yep.
But we are about to go and shoot. Dakota, grab your new toy. What you got here?
So this is an Aero Precision 5.56. We got a YHM Resonator R2 there on the end with a Steiner P4XI, BCM Gunfighter Mod 3, and yeah, ready to shoot it.
How long have you been working on this bad boy?
I've been building this rifle for about
10 years is what it feels
at
like.
least a year now, so it's a pretty cool little rifle, ready to shoot a little bit.
Yeah, we're going to shoot it. I'm going to show you some of that footage here in just a second. The hat, I do want to let y'all know, Swampy Supply Co. They are a new sponsor of ours, so I want to give a big shout out to them. This is a fishing hat, excuse my nappy head, but this is a pretty sweet hat. So I'm going to put a link to their website down below where you can check them out at Spotted Dog Sporting Goods in Columbia, Louisiana. That's all I got, boys. Let's burn some powder.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.